on YouTube. Welcome back to the channel, Trey Buddy's channel. Today is part 3 of my yard arc bird, which is going to be the final phase. And I was kind of playing around with it just a minute ago. This one's going to be awesome, guys. It's going to be awesome. I didn't know what color I was going to paint it, and then my son reminded me yesterday, "Daddy, do you have a green one? Or do you have green paint?" And I said, "I don't know if I do or not, son." And I want to say I told him no, but I'll be doggone. I go and look and I find a whole can hidden in the back. So, you ready for this, guys? I'm gonna flip this around and show you. I got the head semi going and the body, and I'm gonna prime the feet. I prime the whole thing except for the feet, because I like the way the paint hits the feet. Kind of gives it that old, just rustic, authentic look. Plus it's gonna be on the ground anyways, but it's gonna look pretty cool. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna show you what it's starting to look like. Once I get it finished and I let it dry, I'll cut the lines in and make them a little more, square, and paint some eyes on there. But here we go. Here we go, guys. It's starting to look really, really nice. Got the orange beak kind of blended in the middle with the, little red on the top, kind of like a woodpecker would be. And then, you got the little red feathers. You see some of them big, tall East Texas woodpeckers. Of course, I know you ain't ever seen a green one, but that's why it's my masterpiece. It's the way I want it. But you can paint these things either way you want it. I always have issues when it comes to the paint, because I can build these things, but when it comes to paint, I guess you just start painting, and where the paint falls is where it lands and sticks. So, but I was kind of thinking, once it goes, once it dries, I'll put a little red, tip on each side of here. I might even come down here and, do like a little red, so it's got a little red tail, and we'll just have to see, play with it. I might even put a little red ring around here. But the feet, I think I'm gonna come back and blend these into a either a red, orange, or a yellow. And what I'll probably do is come down about, I don't know, I'll play with it. I'll start low and kind of blend it up to where it, kind of like your leg would be, because he ain't gonna be way up here by his chest and his legs unless he's a, what do you call those, flamingos. So that ain't what we have here. But anyways, it's coming together. So stay tuned. I'll show you what it looks like once I decide what I'm gonna do with the legs, and then, like I said, paint the red, and I'll show you the final deal. But it's about to be finished, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, share, comment. I'll always comment back. So I'm gonna let this dry a little bit, and then I'll add a little more paint to it. Man, that thing is turning out beautiful. I went ahead and did red on the feet. I thought it was gonna be too much, but I actually liked it. The head's amazing. I'm gonna put a little, once this all dries, I've got some white, and I'll just do a little, make a little eyeball in there and make it more personable. But see, I told you I was gonna blend in that green and with the red. I didn't know what color. I just was gonna blend it, which I did. Gave it some black little toenails. Did a little red on the tail, like I told you I was gonna do. Red wing tips. Hard to tell back here, but I did red back here as well. So it's got a red tip tail. It's got a little red on the back of the head. Orange beak. Black eye. And I'll do got a little red ring around it. Man, that thing turned out nice. There you go, guys. It's coming together. I'll do the, I'll put a little white on the eyes and this thing will be done, man. And then on to the next project. So, like I said, thank you again for watching. You know, you never know what I'm gonna do. Heck, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I just start building something, and I guess the man upstairs, gives me my guidance, because I just put it wherever he tells me to. He's the one that gave it to me, so I just put it together. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like, all this creativity and art that I do. That's what keeps me motivated. I hear from a lot of people around town. They love my stuff, so I keep doing it. Thanks for watching. It's Trey Buddy's artwork, yard art. Now she's got eyeballs. So this was a fun project to work on here. I really enjoyed this, because you build these things and they already look awesome, but when you throw the paint to them, it's like they come to life. Yeah, that's my favorite part. Even though I hate painting, and I'll say it a million times, I hate painting, but I actually enjoy painting these creatures that I build, and they're all different, man. I could build another one just like this right now, and it's not going to be the same. Paint's going to be different, so they're very unique. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching me on this build, and I hope you guys all enjoyed it. This your boy Trey Buddy. This one's done. Part 3 is a wrap. On to my next build. Peace.